Hi everyone, this is Hannah, bringing you this week's tech tip from Strucsoft Solutions Great Tech Group. The title of today's tech tip is the ONYX Simplified Workflow. We're very excited today to show you some shortcuts with regards to ONYX. So you can see here that I have a Revit file open, and I'm already in the ONYX Upload Center, and I'm going to show the Upload Center menu. I'm going to sign in with my email and password. And I'm going to create a new project. For the simplified workflow, you do have to keep in mind that you do have to log in, just like I did. You need to make sure that you've already uploaded your sections. I've done that already, but if you haven't, you have to click here on Upload Center. I'll just choose my project, click on Upload Sections. On my end, because I've already uploaded everything, this list is empty. But on your end, if you haven't uploaded your sections already to ONYX, you would have to do that, and you would have a list here. You would have to select the components in your list, hit upload, and that will send them to the ONYX website. On my end, I've already done that prior to the tech tip, and you can see here, when I click on ONYX components, everything is already uploaded into ONYX, so ONYX can recognize what my components are. I'll just hit close. The next thing that you would have to take into consideration is that you have to have your machine settings ready. So I'm going to click here on this shortcut page. I'm just going to click on machine settings. This will take me directly to the page of our machine settings, and I'm going to add a setting. You specify the machine that you're using. I've already specified my machine. And then you would have to fill out these settings depending on what you would like to output in your machine. You hit create, but I'm just going to hit close because I have already created some settings. Let's go back to the Revit project. The second thing is that you have to make sure that your component types are recognized by ONYX. So I'm going to click here on component types. I've already specified what I want to do with my components. So ONYX already knows what it's going to do when it sees one of these profiles. And you can see here that I've already assigned my machines. To assign a machine, you select the component and you click on Assign Machine. And you choose from your list. I've done that already. So this step is already done on my end. Let's go back to the model. Now what I want to do is I want to download CNC for this specific panel. I'm not going to go over the usual workflow that you may have seen before. If you haven't already, we do invite you to check out our other webinars on our usual workflow. This is going to be a quick tech tip and it's going to be a shortcut. I just select my panel. I click this button right here, Download CNC. What happens is that ONYX is actually sending this panel up into the ONYX website. And you can see that I have an upload summary. I have sent one wall panel. It was already uploaded. No floor panels, no ceiling panels, no truss panels, and nothing was skipped. I can hit OK. ONYX is going to download a specific file for this panel. Is going to be the CNC output file into a specific location in my computer. This is just a dialog box that informs me of that information. I'll hit OK. And you can see that one panel has been synced. And now I can go to my downloads folder and I can access the CNC file that was just downloaded. And this is how the CNC file looks like for this specific machine. The output is going to look different from one machine to another. So for today, we just used Howick as an example. If I go back to the ONYX website, go to projects, you'll find that the panel is there. That's it for today. This concludes this week's tech tip. I hope you found it useful, and we'll see you next week.